Hey guys, Michelle at GoSadi here, and I thought I'd give you a quick tutorial on FocalPoint. FocalPoint allows you to show the best part of your product pattern listing on your GoSadi DLP and your GoSadi pattern pages. We know that all websites have different photo ratios. Currently, GoSadi features photos in a square. Whatever your ratio is, you have the option to decide what the focal point is, which means the center of that square. So let's see how it works. You're going to go into your GoSadi product library, pull up the pattern. On your selling channels for your DLP, pick that photo, and you can see a purple dot, and that sets your focal point. For this demo, I'm going to move the focal point down to the bottom of her white shirt. I want that to be the feature. For some odd reason, I'm showing a white shirt today. Close that box once I've picked my focal point. Sync it to my DLP. And now if I go back to this pattern page and hit refresh, you'll see the focal point is her white shirt. It's gone down as far as possible. Now let's get back to where I want it, which is to show off that beautiful shawl. So I'm going to go back to my DLP listing page on my selling channels, my DLP tab here. Open that image. Move that focal point by clicking the center of her shawl. And then I'm going to close that out, sync it, and boom. Once I hit refresh, you'll see that center is the beautiful shawl. So again, since lots of ratios for lots of different selling channels, and currently GoSadi is featuring on a square while we're in beta, we wanted to give you the opportunity to show the best piece of your pattern and product. Hope that helps.